Hey y'all, welcome back. So guess what today is? We're gonna fill the raised bed up, and I'm just gonna show you basically what I'm gonna use to fill it up. But first, we're gonna go to Home Depot and get us some raised bed potting soil mix. So let's head right over to Home Depot. Okay, so we're back. We got all the stuff from Home Depot we needed. So you see, I got the 6 bags of Kellogg's raised bed potting mix, which was like $7.97 plus tax. So then I got a garden soil for my front yard for my rose bushes. So it came to about $80 that I spent on soil still, and this is the cheaper route, you guys. So let's see if I have enough leaves and sticks around my yard to get this raised bed filled up, and let's hope for the best. Okay, looks like we got plenty so far. All of this. Let me get here. Just hope it works, you guys. Hope it's enough. All right, we got all the leaves raked up. Let's get to filling the bed up. around of leaves, so I'm gonna get some more. We'll drop those in. Keep watching. All the leaves and branches and old soil in. So the next step is to put in the fresh soil, compost, and some worm casting. Keep watching. Okay, now we're about to put this soil in. Kellogg's Organic Plus All Natural Raised Bed and Potting Mix. We'll put some compost and some worm casting. Okay, so as you know, we bought 6 bags of the Kellogg's Raised Bed Potting Soil, and this is where we're at so far on the soil. So much for cheaper out. We might be going back for more, because you know, once you water, your soil starts setting. But 6 bags plus all those leaves, and plus old soil from other plants at the bottom. And that's what we got. And I have 1 extra soil that I've been having that I'm going to put in here as well. So alright, so let's water in what we got. That's a total of 7 bags of soil. I'm going to water it in, see how much it falls. I'm probably going to end up buying 4 more bags of soil. So I still have to get compost, because when I went to the nursery that I get the compost from, they were all out. That's how good it is, y'all. You guys see, have Markham's Nursery compost. Then I need 4 more bags of soil, and I think I'll be ready to plant my strawberries and whatever else I'm going to plant in this bed. I promise you this bed is much bigger than what I thought it was. So it's a 12 by 6, I think it was. I gotta ask my husband, but I'll make sure I have all the details by the end of this video, because this bed done put me to work. I know y'all see me out here tired and hot. It's a beautiful day today. We is just trying to get it going for this Saturday. So keep watching and we're gonna get it filled up. Okay guys, so we went back to Home Depot. We got 4 bags of soil, and we got some compost. So the next clip you're gonna see is us adding the 4 bags of soil and the Markham's Nursery Red Bud compost. So we're almost finished. Yay, because I am tired. But here we go. I decided to go ahead and show you guys the bed with the strawberries in it. And then we put 2 tomatoes down here. Lemon Boy and a Golden Jubilee. So there it is. Keep watching for the update. Okay y'all, finally got it finished. So we ended up using 11 bags of soil and 3 bags of compost. The soil came to $101.01 and the compost came to $19.50 for all 3 bags. And that may still sound like a lot, but really I think we did save because we filled up with the leaves and sticks and whatnot from around the house. And don't worry about that price either, because this is one time you're going to have to fill this bed up and buy soil like that. The following year you just want to till your soil, amend it, and add in food, more compost, stuff like that to get your soil back alive and feeding your plants. The bed size is a 12 by 4, and so it's 12 feet long, 4 feet wide, and it's 1 foot deep. And the next time you see it, it'll have strawberries in it, and I can't wait to eat these strawberries because I love strawberries. But anywho, so we used this weed control film at the bottom, and you just hold it down with garden stakes like this, which I got these some time ago from Amazon. It was like a box full of them, like 100, and I just use them to hold things down in the garden, or they just come in handy for different things, which were like $15 on Amazon, and this ended up being like $10 or $12 from Home Depot. So, but that's part of my price already that I told you guys. So $125, you could fill your bed up and keep the weeds out. So stick with it, guys. Keep your garden going and don't give up, and come back and see me. and hopefully we can garden some more together.